If your ringtone sounds like a parrot squawk, you might just be onto something. Wild parrots don't just squawk randomly. They actually develop unique sounds for each of their chicks, kind of like giving them names. These signature calls stay with them for life, even when they fly off to start their own feathery adventures. So, before you think humans were the first to come up with personalized ringtones, think again. Parrots had this covered long before we did. So, next time you hear a parrot squawking, it might just be calling out to its bestie by name. Pretty cool, right? Subscribe now, or a parrot will gossip about you by name.